It's a HVAC repair call in Scarborough that we are going today. We are here for Lennox EL195E for the service call. Looks like the ventral motor is so noisy. I turn the switch off. Then few screws that we have to open in order to take the ventral motor out, and the screws to the venting as well. Then we disconnect the electrical connections, and then you just have to slowly take it out. Before putting it back, make sure that you have to change the washer. New part, take it out from the box, and already washer been installed, so we put it there back, and just few screws that we have to put it back. Make sure everything is same place, nice, tight, and venting screws, everything has been tight. No leakage for carbon monoxide. Then check everything, put the electrical back, final checkup for screws. Make sure everything nice and tight for HVAC repair that you've been called. Put the electrical back and just switch it on. That was the replacing ventral motor for Lennox furnace for a service call that we had in Scarborough. That was for today. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.